Hey everybody, today we're making fertilizer. So go get all the weeds in your garden, throw them in a trash can, and then just start putting water on it until it covers all the weeds. Smash them all down in there, put a lid on it, let it sit for 2 weeks, and then just take the water that's in there and use it as fertilizer. It works, trust me. You can do all the trimmings in your garden too. If you're trimming plants back, throw them in there. You got that, class? You understand how to make fertilizer now? Free fertilizer. Right there. Works wonders. Adios. God bless.